Raven, but Raven's taller. She's got longer legs. Moose is really solid in the body, though. Both 75. That's a good size. What type of dogs? Oh, Callie, you said mixes. Rick, what type of dog do you have? Hey. Getting some good water. Oh, nice. That's awesome. So our newest activity, we just got a scooter. It's a Sprocket dog scooter. And we've been going out on the trails. There's a good trail around the lake here. I've got a couple videos of that. But man, they love to pull. I might try to get out and do a live stream on the scooter tomorrow if I get out of work early enough. Check it out, though. I've posted a few videos of the scootering. It's sweet. Moose pulls like crazy. He's a really good puller. Aren't you, buddy? Raven, too, but she was kind of getting a little distracted last time. Had to stop and sniff everything. But Moose just pulled like his life depended on it. He is a good boy. Say hi to everybody. Nice. Have you tried... Well, I don't know what type of weather you have where you are, but in the winter, we do ski joring. That is the most fun. I've got the harness that goes around my waist and the bungee cord that attaches to the puppies. Hey, Suzanne. Thanks for stopping by. What do you puppies think? Say hi, Moose. Good boy. Raven. Raven's about ready to go in. She keeps going in the back door. She knows it's close to dinner time. Whoa! Don't jump on me. What are you doing? You hopping on the wood box? Whoa, Moose. No jumping, buddy. All right, I'll pet you. I'll pet you. Good boy. He's getting the belly rubs. He's getting the belly rubs. All right. All right, what do you say, Raven? Time to go in? She knocks. She knocks when it's ready. Oh, you gotta try it. If you have a chance, get on some skis. I use cross-country skis, and oh, it's fun. All right, yep, there she goes. She's telling me, time for dinner. All right, we're gonna end the live stream. Hope everybody can stop by tomorrow. If my schedule works out, I'll be going live around... they get a blue buffalo mix for their kibble, and then all types of treats. They're spoiled. Thank you, Kimberly. Callie, we have to. It's dinner time, but I'll be back tomorrow, so hit that notification button, and we'll hope to see you tomorrow. We'll be out back here around the same time, but maybe earlier if I can get out on the scooter. We'll go to the lake around maybe 3:30 or 4. That's Eastern time. What do you say, Moose? All right, Ray.